Hi guys. Welcome to my Excel video. Let's learn something new today that can help you sharpen your Excel skills. If you want to learn more, please scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you, and let's get started.
Hi guys, and welcome to today's lesson. Let's say you have been given your first assignment. Your manager has asked you to complete the help desk roster for the next 2 weeks. One of the tools that can help you a lot is the field handle. The field handle is located at the bottom right corner of a cell. When you hover over it, you should get a small black cross. The field handle allows us to quickly copy. Now let's have a look. So I'm gonna click and drag down to row 17 and release. And it has copied my branch for me. The field handle can do some clever things there as well. I'm gonna click on B4 where I've got my record number and I want these to go R1001, R1002. Let's see what happens when I drag my field handle. Now, what has happened here is the field handle has given us what's called a series. When you have a combination of text and numbers, it automatically adds 1 to the numbers. Interesting, right? Now let's see what happens with our dates. I'm gonna click on the 1st of the 5th. This time, however, instead of dragging, I'm gonna try a shortcut. I'm gonna double click my field handle. So, 2 quick clicks and you got it. Amazing, right? Now let's see what happens with days of the week. I click on Monday, come to my field handle, and double click. You see, we got all the days. That's clever. And that will work with months of the year too. It's really a time saver. So far we've done each of those individually so that you can see how they work. To show you how quick this could be, I'm going to undo those changes. And I'm going to select all of these. And then double click my field handle. And you see, you don't even have to do them one at a time. How amazing is that? Now each of my help desk shifts is 8 hours. So I just want to copy that number down. Let's see what happens when we double click the field handle. There we go. That's interesting. So with days we get a series, but with numbers we automatically get a copy. Now I need to number my shifts for the next 2 weeks. I know that when I double click my 1, I'm just gonna get a series of 1s. However, Excel actually gives you options. Whenever you use the field option, you should see a little icon come up at the bottom, and if you hover over it, you see it's called Auto Field Options. I'm gonna click on the drop down arrow and you see it has done a copy. But you do have the option to do a few series. That's brilliant. So I'm gonna click on that, and there we go. Now let's see what would happen with our options for our date. So I'm gonna come back to the date here, double click, come and have a look at my options. And this time it is chosen few series. But you could choose to copy or choose to do something fun. For example, few weekdays or few months. But I like to get back to my few series. Your field handle can also help you do simple patterns. For instance, my cumulative hours is going to go up in 8s. If I just copy the number 16, that's not gonna work. But if I select both number 8 and 16, so I tell Excel there's a pattern and then double click. There we go. Counting in 8s. And Excel could do this for quite a range of fairly straightforward patterns. Let's take a look at a slightly more complex one. So I have my 5 staff here. I'm gonna select all of them and double click. You see it copied the whole group down. Now, one really exciting feature in Excel 2016 is something called Flash Fill, which is an even more sophisticated pattern matcher. If you take a look here, I have Raj's address, which is made of his first name, a dot, his surname, and then the company name. Now if I come and copy that down, it just copies Russia's address. But if I come to my autofill options, you see there's an option to do flash fill. And when I click on that, it spots the pattern and automatically creates addresses for all my staff. Wasn't that awesome? That's it. Now it's your turn to have a go at using the fill handle yourself. That's all for today, guys. Thank you again for choosing my course. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you again. See you on the next video.